No, they ain't mankind. Play the basketball, I'ma kill. I love all of y'all like them bill. Girl, I want you all to myself.
What's up, you guys? Let's go ahead and get into this video. So right here, I am just creating a word search puzzle. And this is basically what this video is about, is creating a word search puzzle in Canva and uploading to Amazon KDP, which is a publishing site that you can publish low content books for sale. Here I am just making sure that I add all the words that I want into this actual word search puzzle inside of the word search puzzle. Now you can add as many words as you would like to your word search puzzle. You just want to make sure that you have enough space for your word search puzzle. I did go through plethora of issues of adding or trying to add words to the word search puzzle, and they did not fit, so I had to go in and find a new word. So for example, I have 8 letters going horizontally and 8 letters going vertically, so that means that I cannot have any words in my word search longer than 8 letters. So what I like to do is take the drawing utensil in Canva and go ahead and scratch off the words that I have in the word search to just make sure that I have everything lined up correctly. And now I am just going to go ahead and add in the random letters in the word search. Now, when doing this step, this is the most easiest step, and all you do is select the letter, select the character, and just hold down the tab button and just change the letter as you go down the word search. You also want to make sure that you don't have too many double letters or triple letters around each other or in the same line, or that's where I like to fill, because I just want to make this a word search an actual word search. That way, when you're looking for the words, they're not that easy to find, if that makes sense. And even though that this is a book for kids, I also want this to be a little bit challenging. Right here, I'm just showing you guys quickly how I made my word search on Canva. I can assure you that this is very easy, and this is what works for me, and I'm sure that you can probably do this a quicker way, but I'm just going to show you guys how I made my word search. So right now I'm just taking some Christmas outline images and adding those images to the blank pages that I have in my crossword puzzle. So I am going to make sure that I size the images correctly and leaving the trim line available, so that way that when I actually upload my book onto the Amazon KDP site, I do not have any images that will be cut out. As I finish adding my images to the pages, I'm going to go ahead and add those same images to my back cover. So I'm going to download these images, and when I download these images, I am going to download them in JPEG. I'm essentially able to download these images and add them to my back cover. Now, this step is optional. You guys do not have to do this. I like to do this step because it's just cute to me, and then I get to give the customer a preview of what's inside of the book. Okay guys, so I've completed creating my front cover, my back cover. So now I'm just going to make sure that I download that in PDF print. Then I'm going to go ahead and double check my interior pages, and I'm going to download that in PDF print as well. So now we're going to head over to the KDP site, and we're going to go down to paperback book, and then we're going to go ahead and create our title. Now your title can consist of anything that you can imagine. So what I've noticed that Amazon picks up on your title, so you have to make sure that in your title you use keywords, and you can make your title as long as you would like. So here I am just making my title just to figure out what I actually want to put. So now we want to scroll down to author, and you want to make sure that you put your name, and then we want to go down to description. Now your description should summarize your book as in depth as possible. You want to try to make sure that you detail every inch of your book. Because you have to remember, people are looking up your book on Amazon, and one of the first things that people do is go to the description. So as we wrap the description part up, we want to make sure that we click no for sexually explicit images, and it's optional to put the age. I put 5 to 18. Right here we have our categories, and our categories is basically saying where will your book be located. So as you can see right here, I'm just describing the categories my word search puzzle book would be in. Right here at keywords, you see me using key phrases to describe what my book actually is. And right here, you can just play with certain words or how you put them. Okay, you guys, you want to leave the publication date and the release date exactly where they are, and then you want to click save and continue. You want to assign yourself a ISBN, and this is just a barcode for your book. We're going to use black and white for our coloring book and crossword puzzle, but you can choose whatever option. Just know that it will be an additional fee depending on the colors that you use. I am going to go ahead and upload my manuscript, which is just the interior of our book that contains the crossword puzzle and the coloring images. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload my front cover and my back cover. After I've uploaded my front cover and my back cover, I'm going to click no for AI generated content, and I'm just going to wait for our book to load so we can actually see what it looks like before we publish it. So as you can see, the word Christmas is hitting too far up at the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to Canva and re-edit that because I don't want my images or words to bleed off onto the side. So after I've re-uploaded that, I went ahead and clicked book preview so I can look at everything before I actually approve it. So now we're just going to look at our printing costs, which is $2.84. And now we're going to price our book. Now I'm looking at over $1 royalty, which means that I will be getting $1 each sale. So I went ahead and went with $7.89, and that's it, you guys. I published my book and it'll be on Amazon in 3 days. Thank you for watching.